Hello, my name is Augustine Kim, and this is a demonstration for the final project of CS2. I made a snake game written in C++ using the SFML library. So let's begin. So this is game running. You have the background music going. The menu, I can use the keyboard to move around, select. The continue is grayed out because there currently aren't any save states. We will get back to that. I can hit enter to select the menu. So how to play it is a classic snake game, but when the score reaches 30, a little yellow piece we'll call the mongoose will pop up and start chasing the snake around for a little extra added difficulty. The option menu has the option to turn the mongoose on off, the background music can be turned off, sound effect can be controlled separately, as well as killing the high score. The menu is also usable with the mouse. You can click to select. Same thing with the options. I can click to select, and there's that. So if we look at the gameplay, let's start a new game here. The snake can be moved with the arrow keys from the keyboard. All four directions there. Each time it eats some food, it will get longer and also slightly faster, and the score updates there on the top right. The movement is such that it can't go backwards, so if I hit right, it's not doing anything, because otherwise the snake would hit itself and kill itself. I don't want that happening. Also, the movement, if I do quick movements, like if I do left, up, left, down, left, the quick movements are actually stored so that the inputs are stored in a queue, so it'll be processed one at a time. In an earlier version, without this, I actually found that if I say do top right, up left, really quickly, the snake would actually kill itself, so I don't want that happening. And there's that. The game can be paused by pressing the escape key, so it'll bring up the pause menu. Again, movable with the keyboard or using the mouse as well. Resume, as you would imagine, resumes the game. And I can also go back to the main menu, also start where we left off. That. Now, I can also restart the game, which will start from the beginning. If we actually do the save and quit right there, so it'll actually quit the game, but it will save the state such that if I run it again and then continue, I can start from precisely where I left off. So there's that. Now, to demonstrate the mongoose, so I've added a little cheat here where I can actually increase my score, because we don't want to be stuck in the low levels forever. Let's get a little higher, closer to 30. So when the score reaches 30, as we'll see here, if I don't die by then, okay, there we go. So it creates this yellow piece which will chase the snake around. To be more precise, it chases the head of the snake around, as you can see. So it adds a little extra difficulty there. I'm trying to get that one piece up. Oh boy. There we go. So when the snake hits the yellow piece, or if the yellow piece manages to catch up, then and it hits any part of the snake, it is actually game over. So, or I can do it myself. There we go. The game over menu, I can restart, return to menu, or quit. So hitting yourself is game over. I can also hit the boundary to game over as well. But it's right now that the high score top right is 36. If I go to the options and clear it, go back to the new game, you can see that it's cleared. We can start afresh. So that pretty much wraps up the demonstration. Thank you very much for watching.